Hi, I'm Natalie. I'm working with the BBC in the art department.
Hiya, I'm Jade.
It's been a really good 6 weeks. I wasn't sure what I was gonna be expecting at first, but you learn an awful lot about the industry and aspects that you never really would think about or think that are applicable to the environment that you're working in.
I'll be going to Prentisiaid. I'll be working as a community filmmaker there, and I'll be able to lead a few of my own projects, which is really exciting.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to going to the BBC. It's going to be really exciting to be working in a massive environment where each department is working together to create one finished product. I think that's going to be really exciting, working in a really large team.
I've really enjoyed coming here for these last 6 weeks. It's given me a really good insight into how the media industry works, which is really good because I can look to see now where I want to go in the future.
No, I'm really excited to meet new people and begin to network with people within the industry.